Is this a petrified troll, a drinking dragon, or a prehistoric rhino? This is Ichvitsirka, one of Iceland's most bizarre mysteries, rising 15 meters from the sea. It's actually a 12-million-year-old volcanic plug, the only part left of an ancient crater. Legend says it was a troll determined to destroy a distant monastery's bells, but he was struck by the first rays of sunlight and turned to stone forever. Ibn Dinami Hivitsirkar means white shirt. Thanks to the nesting birds that cover it, would you dare to visit the Troll of the North?